Here's how I save a lot of money. First, grate some soap using a coarse grater. Pour the grated soap into a bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of salt. Squeeze an entire tube of toothpaste into the bowl. Also, add 30 milliliters of dishwasher rinse aid and 30 milliliters of dish soap, which contains surfactants that remove dirt and residues. The water softener in the detergent helps to eliminate limescale. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Transfer the mixture into smaller bowls. Add a bit of food coloring to each bowl for better contrast, and mix until well combined. Use a spoon to transfer the mixture into molds and let it set for a few minutes. Then, take one of the balls to the toilet. It's an eco-friendly alternative. Drop it into the toilet bowl and pour in 500 milliliters of vinegar. The resulting foam cleans just as well as store-bought cleaners. This homemade alternative costs just a few dollars and works just as effectively. Now your toilet will be sparkling clean and the bathroom will smell fresh and pleasant. Plus, it's inexpensive and easy to make at home.